Guess it's time to cook again.
B is for broccoli of the family brassica. C is for corn, a maze that's amazing. D is for
First, you're gonna boil the tomatoes. Once those beautiful red globes have been boiled for 45 to 60 seconds, you dump them in an ice bath, like an ice cold pool in the summer. They'll pop like blisters on some white collar worker who's forced into blue collar labor thanks to the fall of capitalism. Yeehaw! Next, you're gonna core those bad boys with a core or a knife, whatever you have on hand. Fry up a few cloves of smashed garlic to keep the vampires away. Now dump in your cored, cut up tomatoes and boil them mofos. And now it's time to add the apple cider vinegar, which we're not showing the brand of because I'm not sucking up to capitalists because they don't pay me. Meanwhile, start blending all that stuff together. Here comes the tasty part. We add the brown sugar and spices. More blending to put your spices and sugar into the mix. Now you're gonna boil this for 45 minutes minimum. And then it'll be done, I guess. You can jar it and can it and do this. And then, when you're all finished, go!